What's up guys, after so many months of leaks about the iPhone SE, it's finally here. In this video we are going to take a look at everything there is to know about this new iPhone before you decide to make the purchase. It is the second generation of the first generation of the original iPhone SE, released back in 2016. You will be getting the full power of the iPhone 11 packed into the shell of an iPhone 8. So you are essentially getting an older device with incredible performance. You are getting a 4.7-inch Retina display with the P3 color gamut, HDR support, True Tone, and Dolby Vision. The resolution is lower than on the newer models, but for the price you will still be getting a good-looking display. You have the all-glass front and back with IP67 water resistance and a home button with Touch ID. So basically the entire shell remains the same as on the iPhone 8. You are presented with three color options: the black, the white, and the product red, with the bezels being black with all three colors. There will be no headphone jack, just the lightning port as on the original iPhone 8, as well as dual SIM support. Keep in mind there will be some features missing even if we have the A13 chip. You will not be getting the U1 chip, however you still get Wi-Fi 6 support. We had no understanding of the iPhone SE's cameras, and that's because it is exactly the same as on the iPhone 8, with just one difference. It is the standard wide angle at 12 megapixels and video at 4K 30 frames per second. However, you are going to be able to take portrait mode pictures, which you couldn't do on the iPhone 8. With Smart HDR, it will make your pictures and videos much better and really close to what you can get with the iPhone 11 series. However, you will not be getting night mode or the auto adjustments, which allowed for incredibly low light pictures. Further, the front camera will be a 7 megapixel lens, which will allow selfie portraits. Video will be only at 1080p, and memojis as well as animojis are not supported either, which is quite disappointing. So as you can see, there are many compromises, but you are able to take portraits with both cameras as the main change. Regarding battery life, because that's something that all of us deeply care about. The battery life will be most likely very similar to the iPhone 8, but with the A13 chip and its incredible optimization, the battery life might be getting a little better. It will not be as good as on the iPhone 11 series, but stay tuned for videos about the battery life once I get my hands on this device. You will be also getting fast charging capabilities as well as wireless charging due to its glass back. So the starting price at $399 for the 64GB model, but of course you can go up to 256GB for about $550. Which is definitely a great deal for this iPhone. You are able to pre-order this iPhone on the 17th at 8 AM Eastern Standard Time, and it will be delivered the week after. So should you buy this device? The price may be tempting for many, but if you have anything above the iPhone XS, then you should not even think about getting this iPhone. It will not be a big upgrade. You will essentially be going backwards. But if you have older devices like the old SE, the iPhone 8, the 7, and all the way down, then it might be a good option, especially for the price. It is understandable that paying $1,000 each year for a phone is ridiculous, so getting this phone is definitely a good deal. So in the end, you will have so many better features and more recent updates for the coming years, which is always important. Alright, so what's my final answer? Yes, if you have a device that is older than the iPhone 8, then go ahead and upgrade for a much better device. If you enjoyed this video, then please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay notified when I release my next video. Follow me on Twitter for recent updates, fun stuff, and more. The link is in the description below. Also, if you missed my previous video, then please click the card shown up here. Okay, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.